In today's video, I'm using the SE Electronics Dynacaster microphone to record everything. So right now I'm kind of looking at it. But anyway, the point of this video is not to talk about the microphone. It is to talk about my most essential audio plugins for mixing and mastering. Let's get started right away. This is for the year 2022. First of all, IK Multimedia's ARC3. Advanced room correction. I love this. It is absolutely essential while I'm mixing or mastering. It just makes things a lot quicker. Mixes translate, recordings translate. I would be lost without this plugin. And obviously there's the alternative from SonarWorks, which is great for headphones. But ARC3 to me is the better speaker calibration plugin system. Next up, we have a gain plugin. As boring as that sounds, it is definitely essential when automating. You have a nice clean gain plugin. One that also, if I want to, I can make this plugin bigger. Next up, Voxengo MSED. This turns any plugin that you have into a summon difference matrix, also known as mid-side. The other nice thing about this plugin, it has this left-right balance and the correlameter. Bottom line is when you're mixing things like drum overheads or guitars or keyboard or piano, whatever, it's hard to hear if the volume difference between the left and right channels is exact. I've made that mistake on mixes, and it's one of my biggest regrets is that I just made one side louder than the other. So this plugin comes in handy for a variety of situations. Next up is iZotope RX. Now I'm running an older version, but the bottom line is noise reduction and other audio fixes. Now this is just the plugin. Obviously the program itself is a lot better. All depending on your budget, get the very affordable version, or in this case, someone donated Advanced RX to me. Loudness penalty, I use this plugin anytime I mix audio for videos. So this video, I will be using loudness penalty. I wish it had a scalable GUI, and I wish it was VST3, but I can't complain about an otherwise great plugin. The way it works is you play your audio in real time, or I guess you could do it offline, but either way, play your audio in real time, and let's say if this number was 0, you hover over it and it says that you can add an additional gain. So this plugin goes right after your limiter plugin. This is another great plugin / program, Ulean Loudness Meter 2, which I've been meaning to re-review because they've updated it in a variety of ways. This is the pro version. They also had the free version. This is another great loudness meter. You have all these different options. Anyway, good times. Good times. Trigger from Slate Digital. This one's a classic. So if you have drums that weren't so great, you can replace them with higher quality sounding drums. And it's a very easy task to do because of Trigger 2. Finally, we have Hornet VU Meter Mark IV. Automatic gain staging plugin. Can be scaled to fit your screen. Need I say more?